Do you want to leverage business credit to get what you want? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome, folks. Today we're going to dive deep into the exciting world of business credit. Now, I know what you're thinking. Business credit? Exciting? Stick with me on this one, because I'm about to show you how this often overlooked aspect of business can be your secret weapon to getting what you want. Business credit, in its essence, is the capacity of a business to borrow money. It's like your personal credit, but for your business. Sounds simple, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Business credit isn't just about getting loans or credit cards. It's a powerful tool that you can leverage to fuel your business growth, secure better terms with suppliers, and even mitigate business risks. But how can you make the most out of your business credit? Over the next few minutes, we're going to explore that question in depth. We'll start with understanding what business credit is and how it works. We'll then take a step-by-step journey on how to leverage your business credit effectively. Along the way, we'll also highlight some common mistakes you should avoid to protect your business credit score. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your business journey, understanding and leveraging business credit can be a game changer. It's like having a magic key that unlocks doors to opportunities that can take your business to new heights. So, are you ready to take that key and unlock the wealth of possibilities that business credit has to offer? I sure hope you are, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey that could transform the way you do business. Stay tuned to learn how to make the most of your business credit. You won't want to miss this. First things first, we need to understand what business credit is. Picture this. You're at a swanky dinner party and someone asks you to pass the mashed potatoes. You do. That's trust. They trust you not to drop the potatoes all over their fancy suit. Now, in the world of finance, business credit is sort of like passing the mashed potatoes. It's all about trust. Business credit is a track record that shows how trustworthy your business is when it comes to paying back borrowed money. It's a bit like your personal credit score, but it's for your business. Just like how you'd have a hard time getting a mortgage with a bad personal credit score. A business with poor credit may struggle to secure loans or attract investors. So, how does it work? Well, when you borrow money for your business and pay it back on time, that's like passing the mashed potatoes flawlessly. It builds your business credit. On the flip side, if you're late on payments or default on a loan, that's like dropping the potatoes. It damages your business credit. Now, why is this important? Well, a strong business credit score can open doors. It can help you secure better loan terms, attract investors, and even negotiate better deals with suppliers. It's like having a VIP pass at that dinner party, giving you access to the best the financial world has to offer. But remember, building a good business credit score isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time and consistency. It's about making sure you're always ready to pass those mashed potatoes without a hitch. So, now that we have a basic understanding of business credit, it's time to delve deeper. Let's find out how we can use this knowledge to our advantage. Because, as we all know, knowledge is power. And power is the key to success in the world of business. Now that we know what business credit is, let's dive into how to leverage it. Ready to leverage your business credit? Here are the steps you need to follow. First things first, you need to establish your business credit. This is a crucial step that involves setting up your business as a separate entity from your personal finances. Register your business, get an employer identification number from the IRS, and open a business bank account. This will help you create a clear division between your personal and business finances, a vital aspect of leveraging business credit. Next, obtain your business credit reports from the major business credit bureaus, Dun & Amp, Bradstreet, Experian Business, and Equifax Small Business. Review these reports thoroughly to understand your current standing. If any discrepancies or errors arise, address them promptly. Now let's talk about building your business credit. This is done by establishing trade lines with your suppliers and vendors. A trade line is a business credit account that reports to the business credit bureaus. By paying your bills on time or even ahead of schedule, you'll build a positive business credit history. Once you have established and built your business credit, it's time to leverage it. But how exactly do you do that? Well, one way is by using it to secure loans and lines of credit. These funds can be used to invest in your business, allowing you to grow without dipping into your personal finances. Now remember, when leveraging your business credit, it's important to maintain a good credit score. This means paying your bills on time, keeping your debt levels low, and regularly checking your credit reports for any errors. A good business credit score will make it easier to secure financing and negotiate better terms with suppliers. Another way to leverage your business credit is by using it to negotiate better terms with suppliers. With a good business credit score, suppliers are more likely to offer you better terms, such as longer payment periods or lower prices. This can significantly improve your cash flow and reduce the cost of goods sold, boosting your profitability. You can also leverage your business credit to win contracts. Many companies and government agencies consider a business's credit score when awarding contracts. A strong business credit score can help you stand out from the competition and win lucrative contracts. And let's not forget about the importance of continuous monitoring and improvement. Just like personal credit, business credit needs to be monitored regularly. This will help you spot any potential issues early and take steps to address them. It's also important to continuously look for ways to improve your business credit score. This includes maintaining good payment habits, reducing your debt levels, and increasing your credit limits. By following these steps, you can start leveraging your business credit to get what you want. Remember, business credit is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it needs to be used wisely. So make the most of it and watch your business thrive. While leveraging business credit can be highly beneficial, there are some common mistakes you should avoid. Now let's delve into the common pitfalls that businesses often stumble into when attempting to leverage their credit. The first misstep is not understanding the terms of the credit agreement. It's like jumping into a swimming pool without checking the depth. You might end up in hot water, or in this case, deep debt. Always take time to read the fine print and understand the interest rates and repayment terms. The second blunder is failing to build business credit separately from personal credit. Think of it this way. You wouldn't wear your tennis shoes to a black tie event, would you? Similarly, mixing personal and business credit can muddy the waters and make it difficult to obtain future financing. So, establish your business credit independently from the get-go. The third mistake is ignoring the importance of credit utilization ratio. This is the percentage of your available credit that you're using. It's like eating a whole cake instead of a slice. Sure, it's tempting, but it's not good for your credit health. Keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. The fourth pitfall is missing or making late payments. Imagine if you invited someone to dinner and they showed up 2 hours late. You'd probably think twice about inviting them again, right? The same goes for creditors. Late or missed payments can lead to lower credit scores and a loss of trust from lenders. Lastly, many businesses fall into the trap of not monitoring their business credit reports. It's like driving with a blindfold. You wouldn't know if you're heading towards a cliff until it's too late. Regularly check your credit reports for any inaccuracies or signs of fraud. Remember, avoiding these errors is like avoiding potholes on a road trip. It makes for a smoother, more enjoyable journey. So, understand your credit agreement, separate your personal and business credit, keep an eye on your credit utilization ratio, make timely payments, and regularly monitor your credit reports. Avoiding these mistakes will put you on the path to success. Leveraging business credit may seem complex, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can be a powerful tool for your business. Let's quickly jog your memory on what we've covered today. We've busted the cloud of confusion around understanding business credit and shed light on how you can leverage it to your advantage. Remember, taking the right steps is crucial. Don't rush into decisions. Be mindful of common mistakes and avoid them like a rattlesnake in your boot. Now it's your turn to use this knowledge as your secret sauce, stirring up success for your own business. Don't let these strategies collect dust. Apply them, experiment with them, and watch your business grow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Money Masters channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our financial tips and advice. Until next time, keep mastering your money.